There it is with the light.
Oh, okay.
All right, cool. So this is the Healthway Air Filtration Unit, Class 2 medical device. It's a serious air filtration. We're gonna do a quick how to change out the filter. First thing you wanna do is disconnect it from the wall. That's very important. Then there's 2 ears here, lift it up. This is where the hood is, and this is where you access the top filter. Now, if you notice, this one is pretty ready to get changed. You can see some of the stuff already protruding to the top. Now, there is locked. What you want to do is bring this one this way and this way, and then you're able to lift it up. I want to show you the underneath. Now you can kind of see I'm going to bring the other one here so you can kind of see the color difference. The machine is definitely doing the job. It's taking germs, viruses, bacteria, fungi, bioaerosols, VOCs out of the air. You can see the difference. Ivory white, and then this one has all the cat dander, dust, smoke, and the combination of everything and anything that you can imagine to pull out of the air. All right, so it handles VOCs, volatile organic compounds. It takes everything out of the air. The way it goes on, there's a little hole here, and then you put it right there to that actually little metal shaft. But first thing I want to do is just quick show you how to clean out the little brushes that are inside. I'll show you how you do it. There's these little metal wires right there. So with a toothbrush, just kind of, yep, right there. And yep. So with the toothbrush, just kind of lightly brush the crumbs off of it. If you hear any sparkling sounds, a lot of times that's what it is. There's a lot of accumulation of the actual dust. So what those are, that creates the electrostatic fields of about 17,000 kilovolts. And what it does, it coagulates the particles together, clumps them, and it makes it easier for the HEPA filter that we have. It's 95%, 85% media, but it filters down to 0.3 because of the coagulation of that it creates with the wires over here to make it easier for it to filter out all the contaminants. So yeah, just lightly brush it off, all the little crumbs that are around there. And then after you do that, is one thing you could always do too with an alcohol swab, kind of just clean it out gently as you touch the wires. That's that. And then what you're going to do is then you have this little hole there, you can see it from there.
Yeah.
And you put it into that metal there. Okay. So what that does, that electrifies the filter. So any germs, virus, bacteria will get actually zapped. One lock, and you can hear. So there, it's actually locked into the system. And then what you do is you actually put the hood back on. And see this right here, it says front panel. So you want to make sure that's actually to the front of the unit. All right, put that on there. And once you do that, there's locked in place. In the back, you have the, right here, this is the pre-filter. And let's, yeah, you can see it's definitely red. I don't know if you can see it from there. Yep, cat hair, dander, it's sucking up everything out of the air. I love it because that's why you're breathing cleaner, healthier air in the home. It's doing its job. It's pulling it so your lungs don't have to breathe it. Wow. So this one is the pre-filter. You can take a look at the difference of the color.
Yeah.
All right, so it's doing its job. All right, and then what I'll do, go like this. And then this one, all you do is slide it right in the back. See how it says 7 stages? You can see it from there. Yep. And then you kind of just bring it over to the bottom and just slide it in, that's all. And then this is a magnet. Okay, so that's the magnet right there. You lay the lip at the bottom, and it's ready. All right. One thing I'm going to do is I'll tilt it on the side just to kind of see if it has some of the stuff on there.
Oh my God.
Right. Yeah, you can see the stuff on there. And let's see. Oh yeah, you can see it. So I'm going to grab the vacuum. We'll pull some of that stuff off.
Okay.
Yep, I got it right here. All right, and then watch this. You'll see the. Oh yeah. Okay, watch how much better it's going to be running. See the bottom?
Yeah.
And now tilt it. You see it right there? All cat hair, dander. That's doing its job. Love it. And one more. Okay. And I'll cut shut it off here. And then what I'll do is I'll actually bring it up again. And what we're going to do is actually plug it right to the wall and fire it up just to make sure everything's running okay.
Right.
Plug it right here and it's good to go. That's the ease of the quick service on it. All right, and turn it on. One thing you want to make sure that all the lights are green. Right now all the lights are green and it's doing its job. So these are different heights. You got low, medium, high. Okay, what I would do is leave it on high for now just to really pull all the pollution out. All right, and there it is. So if you need any of the filters in the machine, reach out to us. My name is Angel and I'll leave my phone number at the bottom for contact. Have a great day.
Now,